Hello students, today we are going to take session number 5 of digital spreadsheets, and that is use of formulae and functions. This session we are going to learn how can we make use of the formula, how can the functions be used, and what are actually formulas and functions. Formulas are the expressions that are used to calculate a value. Whenever we have to calculate a value, we make use of the formula, and the formula will contain one or more arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, as you all know, plus, minus, multiply or divide, these are the arithmetic operators. So whenever there is a formula, that formula is going to make use of all these arithmetic operators. In Excel, we have three type of formulas. First is the simple formula. Simple formula will be an expression that is made up of the numbers, that is made up of the arithmetic operator, cell address and the parenthesis. So you can see in the example, simple formula looks somewhat like this. This is an expression, and that expression is made up of the numbers. Here, in place of these cell addresses, number can also be used. Arithmetic operator, you can see plus arithmetic operator is used. Parenthesis, the brackets are used in this one. So this is a simple formula. Now why this is a simple formula? This is simple formula because here you can see we have made use of only one arithmetic operator, that is plus. Nothing else, no other arithmetic operator is used over here. It is making use of only one arithmetic operator, that is plus. That is why this is a simple formula. Then another type of the formula, we have the complex or compound formula. The characteristic is that such sort of formula contains more than one arithmetic operator. Rest all the things remain same. It will too have the number, it will too have the arithmetic operator, it will too have the cell address, it will also have the parenthesis just like this one. But only the difference is that here we had only one of the operator, that was plus. But here you can see we have made use of the two operators. We have the plus as well as we have the division. So if any of the expression contains more than one arithmetic operator, we call that as the complex or compound formula. Then the third type of formula, we have the text formula. These are the formulas which are exclusively going to work with the characters, which are exclusively going to work on the string values and symbols. In this, we have the concatenation function. Concatenation means joining up of two strings. Here we have two strings, and when we join these two strings, we call it as the concatenation, and that concatenation falls under text formula. Remember that simple formula or the complex formulas, they can't be used for the characters, for the string values. For the string value and for addition of the character, only the text formula, that is concatenation, that can be used. Similarly, this text formula or concatenation can never be used for the numbers. This we have to keep in mind. Now let us see what are the components of a formula. Components of the formula. A formula in Excel always begins with equal to sign. If you have not written the equal to sign, the calculation will not be done. Excel will not consider it as a formula or a function. So always remember that whenever a function or formula is to be given, equal to sign is to be used. Then next things that are to be given are the arithmetic operators. Any of the arithmetic operator need to be included in the function or a formula, plus, minus, multiply, divide, percent, exponent, any of these. Another component of the formula is parenthesis. Always parenthesis, that is the bracket, opening and closing bracket, opening and closing parenthesis is to be used. Cell reference. Cell reference means cell address, name of the cell. So you need to make use of the name of the cell either, or you need to make use of the range of the cell, that has to be written. Then next component is constant. Constant means a fixed value. That constant is also part of the formula. Like here, this value is fixed. Hello Excel, this is fixed. So a fixed value will be there. Then functions. Functions are built-in formulas. Formulas are built by you. Formulas are made by you according to your requirement. But these ready-made formulas, when are fed in the computer's memory, they are known as the functions. So for example, sum, max, minimum, subtract, these all are the function. See, this sum is a function. It can be a formula when you make it according to your own requirement, like a1 plus b1 plus b2. This is a formula, but when you give it the name sum, when you use it as sum, then this is a formula. So these are some of the components of the formula without which a formula will not work. Now next, let us see what are the different type of arithmetic operators that we use in the formulas. So various type of arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation. And this is very common. Everybody knows what these addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operators are used for. Exponential is when you have to show raised to the power. When you have to show raised to the power, then we will be making use of exponentiation. And when we have a complex formula, when we have a formula which have more than two operators, then in order to solve such sort of formulas, such sort of expression, order of precedence rule, as you have read in the mathematics also, order of precedence rule, that is the BODMAS rule, will be applicable. Like for example, you can see one of the example. It is a1 plus b1 multiplied by c1. Here we have two operators. Now to solve this expression, the system is going to make use of the BODMAS. And in the BODMAS, we know that multiplication falls before addition. So here in this case, multiplication will be done first, and then after that addition will be done. So this way the precedence will be done, the precedence rule will be followed if your expression, if your formula is having more than one operator.